If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video. Hi, myself Shriyukta. Welcome you to my channel, Unlocking the Learning Space. Today, I am going to tell you about how to change case of text string using formula. Formula, that is by using a text function. I have highlighted the text function, that is lower, proper, upper. Now we will see how we use this text function. So let's start our work. See, we can change the case of text string for normalizing our data, and we can do this with the help of multiple options, that is by Excel function, that is by using a formula which we are going to use today. Next is the VBA macros, add-ins, that is cell cleaner add-ins. Also by MS Word, that is copy the data set in MS Word and select the text, change the style and again paste it in Excel. But today we are going to learn how to change the case of text string by using a formula. Which formula? Text function. Okay, so let's start our work. See, on my screen you will see one data set is there. I have highlighted fruit, which is highlighted in yellow. You will see the first letter of that word is in small case. Next is the one which is in red color. First letter of that word, it is in uppercase, and one which is highlighted in green, you will see that it is in all uppercase. It is all in capital letter. This, the red one, the yellow one. Okay, now while submitting this data, it will look odd, though it won't affect in filter option, but while submitting this data, it looks very odd. So for normalizing this data, we are going to use formula. See, on my first sheet, I have set one example. Fine. So first we will understand what is upper function, what is lower function, and what is proper function. So first we will take upper function. So what is that? Upper function convert text string to all uppercase letters, that is in capital letters. Fine. So what is the syntax of that? Is equal to upper in bracket text to convert. See, this text refers to a cell address. I have set sample. This is the original text: chocolate, cake, ice cream, cold drink, biscuit. This all is in small case, and by using a formula we will get the result. You can see in formula bar I have applied the formula. See this formula: upper B12. B12 is a cell address. B13 is a cell address. So let's check how I did this. Fine. So just enter the formula is equal to upper function, open the bracket, select the cell which you want to convert, that means select the text which you want to convert, close the bracket and hit enter button. I will show it again. Is equal to upper, select the cell, close the bracket, enter. Fine. That means I got the text converted in uppercase. It is all in capital letters. Means we can use the upper function to convert in uppercase. Rest, I will just drag the formula. You got the result. You can check in formula bar. There is a formula of upper function. So, if you don't want the formula in cell, then what we will do? We will just copy the text and paste it in desired location. I will show you how. See, just copy the text. Fine. This is my desired location. Paste, paste special, select value and hit OK button. You got the result. You will check in formula bar that you get only the text. No formula is there. That means you will get the result as if you have typed the text. Fine? So next is lower function. So why we use this lower function? We use this lower function to convert the text string to all lower case letter. Fine? So what is the syntax is it? Is equal to lower text to convert. It's very similar to upper function. See, this is my original text. It is all in capital letters. Now I want it in small letter. You will see in formula bar I have used the formula. This formula I have used. Fine. So I will tell you how I did this. Is equal to lower function, open the bracket, select the text you want to convert. That means select the cell of text which you want to convert, close the bracket, hit enter button. I will show you again. Is equal to lower, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, enter. Fine. Check in formula bar. I have used the same formula. Now rest, I just drag it. Okay. The same pattern we are going to use to get the text as if we have typed. So what we will do? Copy the whole text which we have converted, which consists of formula. Then go to desired location, paste, paste special, select value, hit OK. Fine. You will check in formula bar only text is there. No formula is there. Fine. So next is proper case, proper function. Why we use it? See, proper function convert text string in proper case. That is the first letter in each word in uppercase and all other letters to lowercase. You will see the example below. See, this is a original text. The first, which consists the text in all capital letters. This also capital letters. Next also capital letters. This is first letter is capital, rest is small. This is same thing. If we want the text in proper case, that is the first letter of this text in capital and rest is in small case, then we have to use this formula. So you will check in formula bar, I have used this formula. So I will show you how I did this. Is equal to, then proper, open the bracket, select the cell, which we want to convert. Close it. You got the result. Fine. Just drag the formula. See, you will get the result. That is, the first letter, it is in capital and rest is in lowercase. So, this is called a proper case. Fine. So, same pattern we are going to use. Copy the text. Select the desired location. Paste special value. Now we got the result as if we have typed the text. Fine. I hope you have understood all the three formula, that is uppercase, then lowercase and proper case. That means upper function, lower function and proper function. Fine. By this we will get the data set in one case, just like this. That means it is all in one case. The first letter is in capital, the rest is in lowercase. That in which formula we have used? We have used the proper function. If we want this all in caps, what we will do? Is equal to upper select I will just drag the formula till the data set is there. Then I will just copy, then put it in desired location and use the special formula. You will see the formula is not there, but this is in proper case, this is in upper case. Fine. I hope you understood this topic. Practice it, and in case you have any doubt, write in comment box. If you like my video, just hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Aloki the Learning Space. Thank you.